have long viewed human aging as an immutable countdown. Physical decay appears to be a fixed law, where the body's parts simply wear out over time, like a machine reaching the end of its life. However, looking deeper into biology suggests we may have misidentified the source of this breakdown. The moon jellyfish demonstrates a form of biological immortality, bypassing the standard timeline of old age to live indefinitely. The existence of immortality in the natural world proves that aging is not a hard, unchangeable limit of physics. New research suggests aging is actually a form of digital information loss, a software glitch involving corrupted data rather than a hardware problem of physical destruction. Every cell in your body relies on a specific set of instructions, known as cellular identity, to function as a heart cell, as a single neuron, or a piece of skin. The outward signs of aging occur when cells lose access to these instructions and begin to forget their specific roles. To find the origin of this confusion, we have to look inside the nucleus, where the cell tracks the passage of time. This model shows telomeres, the molecular clocks capping the ends of our DNA. Each time a cell divides, these protective caps shorten, acting as a mechanical tally of a cell's lifespan. This physical shortening serves as the precise trigger that initiates the software glitch and the subsequent loss of information. The epigenome sits atop the DNA as a complex operating system, telling the cell which specific genes to read and which to ignore. As telomeres shrink, they disrupt this control layer, causing the instructional markers to detach or drift from their positions. This leads to cellular amnesia. An eye cell that loses these instructional markers can no longer perform the specific tasks required to maintain vision. The underlying genetic hardware, the DNA itself, remains undamaged during this process. Only the instructions are missing. If the epigenome's memory is stored, the cell should theoretically regain its original function. Scientists needed to find a way to provide a backup copy of those lost instructions to a living cell. The solution came through Yamanaka factors, a set of proteins capable of wiping a cell's slate clean and resetting the epigenome. Researchers tested this by injecting these proteins into the eyes of old blind mice. The mice regained their sight as their eye cells recovered their identity and returned to a youthful state. This success demonstrated that biological age is a flexible information state that can be moved in either direction. Medicine is shifting from managing the external results of aging, like failing joints and wrinkles, to addressing the root molecular code. We are gaining the ability to precisely rewrite the epigenome, targeting the underlying cause of cellular decline. Aging is a measurable biological condition, and we have finally developed the tools required to treat it.